So if you found this video, you're probably trying to find out what the recommended tire pressure is in your Ford Explorer. So this Explorer behind me happens to be a 2006, and I'm going to show you where to find the recommended tire pressure on the vehicle so that you know you're putting the correct air pressure in it. Before we get started, remember to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and subscribe to all of our notifications. That way you'll get a heads up when we upload a new video. So on this Westlake tire, the recommended PSI, it's kind of upside down. It's 44 PSI. That's what the tire manufacturer recommends for a maximum PSI on this tire. So what Ford recommends on this particular vehicle, the way you can find it is if you open up the door, on the driver's side door jamb, there's going to be a sticker right here. And the sticker will tell you, the front tire size and the recommended PSI for the tire size, which is 35 PSI. And it's the same for the rear. So on this particular vehicle, the tire size and the recommended PSI by the manufacturer is both the same for the front and the rear. So that'll give this vehicle the best ride, from the factory, kind of like a nice factory ride, and that's what Ford recommends with that PSI right there. So I hope this kind of takes some of the guesswork out of it for you and answers a few of your questions. And if you have any questions at all, definitely leave a comment. I'll reply back to you. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care.